Step into the 2020 Chrysler Pacifica. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Chrysler prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by adjustable headrests in all seating positions, heated and ventilated seats, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, blind spot sensor, a roof rack, rear wipers, and power seats. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.